Oh, hello. All right. Now, if you guys followed me on my Instagram page just recently, I've mentioned that I lost my voice due to the amazing weather here in Malaysia, where I just recently checked the air pollutant index was about 84, which is totally not good for our health. And thank God for this product, as my voice is now back. So let's talk about the Dyson Pure Cool Me and how it has benefited me, and of course how it will give you benefits as well. So keep watching. Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. If you guys are new, hello and welcome. Do consider subscribing to my channel as I release videos at least twice a week. And if you're returning as a subscriber, welcome back my friends. It's nice to see all your smiling faces, although I can't see you through my lens, but you know. Now let's start with what comes inside of the box. Now the Dyson Pure Cool Me comes in a white box similar to other Dyson products, with the visuals of the fan in front and the sides, with some of the features at the back of the box. Now opening the box reveals another box inside where you'll find the remote nicely tucked in there. Then below you'll find a flap which stores the power adapter and the instructions guide. And of course you'll find a Pure Cool Me inside, which I gotta say that it was just the right weight to it, not too heavy and not too light, so that was nice. Now speaking of its build, let's take a closer look on the design itself. Yet again, Dyson has developed another unique design as they continue to innovate from their bladeless fan structure of the previous generation, and it comes in a nice compact size since it was built as a personal fan, and like I've mentioned during the launch of the product, it is quite huggable. So although I'm not supposed to hug it to sleep, but I just feel like I need to. Now in terms of the materials, what keeps the weight down at 2.7 kg, it's its high quality industrial grade ABS like glossy plastic, so you can easily place the fan wherever you want if it's in your home or office, and at the same time it's quite sturdy too. And like the other previous released fans by Dyson, this is also an air purifier where the airflow is absorbed from the outside through the vents inside here and then goes inside of the glass HEPA filter, then through the air vents in front of the dome of the fan, where the overall airflows uses the Dyson's core flow technology within the whole dome and then focus the airflow towards the outside of the dome area. And you can always adjust the airflow to either blow upwards or even from the top, which although it blows directly at me, I'd get that comfortable airflow feeling when it was blown directly in my face, and that could be due to its proper filtered air compared to a typical traditional fan blowing at you, which gathers all the dirty air and blows straight on your face. Now what's nice is that you can place the fan quite close to you like this or even further, as you can still feel its airflow even at an approximate distance of 8 to 9 feet, which is also pretty impressive. Now like the DP04 and the TP04, it comes with a nice LCD screen to display all information needed, and what's cool about the screen is that you don't have to worry about any glaring light coming out from the screen during a night, especially when you're sleeping, as there is the built-in ambient sensor which dims the screen during a night. Now in terms of the pots and buttons, since Dyson is known to have a minimalist style on the design, you will just find a DC pot right at the back and also the power button, and the rest of the controls is using through the remote, where in the remote you'll find the on and off button over there. Then you can adjust the fan speed to decrease and increase the fan up to the highest value of 10. You will then find the information button to know your current filter's condition, where you can always change the filter by pressing the two sides button on the top part of the Pure Cool Me and lifting it up, and then lifting up the two tabs to change the filter easily. Then there's also the oscillation adjustments to turn it on or off as it rotates up to a 70-degree range. And lastly, you'll find a button for sleep timers from 30 minutes up to 8 hours. And yes, you can store the remote in front of the Pure Cool Me, as it has a magnetic front to make sure that you don't lose the remote. Now I have to highlight this because I watched so many reviews online and they were all complaining about how they had problems having the remote to stuck in front of the fan. So let's test it. No issue. And speaking of testing, let's also test the sound depending on the speed, as there is some great noise reduction built inside of the fan as well. Alright, so this is speed 10. The microphone is right here. Speed 9. This is 8. 7. 6. 5 is almost silent. 4, 3, 2 is like completely silent, and 1. And there's still air blowing. Pretty impressive. Alright, now besides the amazing airflow, diving deeper into the filtration of the Dyson Pure Cool Me, it uses the advanced filtration system, which is an activated carbon and glass HEPA filter which captures gases, pollutants and 99.95% of the ultra-fine particles from the air. So just imagine the amount of filtered air that you get when using the Pure Cool Me. And that is how I feel that you could benefit your health, especially with the current weather conditions if you guys are from Malaysia, to combat that ridiculous API reading. But if you guys are not from Malaysia, you can also still benefit from its amazing filtration system. Now the filter is said to last about a year, but of course this is totally depends on how much that you use the fan and how bad is the pollution within your area. Alright guys, in conclusion, like the other TP04 tower fan that I reviewed, this Dyson Pure Cool Me is again a great investment to not only keep yourself cool, but also at the same time giving you the best purification technology built into the fan. With just the right form factor, it will look cool and stylish to be placed on your bedside or even on your office desk. Now there is a little smart home hack that I did to make the Pure Cool Me smart, which is to use a smart plug, which you can find so many cheap options online to turn on and off the fan through my phone no matter where I am. So if you guys want to make the fan smart, to be able to control the fan wherever you are and even set schedules, this would be a great option for you. And the good news is that Dyson Malaysia is hooking you guys up with a 15% discount using the promo code AdamLobo15 from the retail price of 1,699 ringgit, and you can get it at shop.dyson.my, where it is available in 2 colors for you guys to choose from. Other than the white and silver that I have, there's also gunmetal and copper, which I would love to get in addition to this. Alright guys, with this, do let me know if you have any questions to ask in relation to the Dyson Pure Cool Me down at the comment section below, and I'll gladly answer them as usual. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.